Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how I make mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot. So I start by washing 3 pounds of potatoes. Now I'm going to peel them. So most Instant Pots come with a trivet. You want to take the trivet out. You don't want the trivet in the bottom of there. But you want to put water in there first, because if you put the potatoes in there and then pour the water on, you'll get a burn notice, which means that it burns to the bottom, and it's not fun, believe me. So add in half a cup of water. And then we're going to peel the potatoes. If you see my oven light on, I make meatloaf. And there will be another recipe on how to make the meatloaf also. I either posted it before or after this video, I don't know yet. Once your potatoes are peeled, you're going to cut them into chunks. They don't have to be really small. You can be whatever size you want, really. They're going to cook regardless in here. So maybe 1-inch chunks. You can cut them small if you really want to, but this is just going to cook them, and we're going to blend them up with the hand mixer. You're going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt. So I'm just going to guess here. I would say that's probably 2 teaspoons. That's just going to help it cook and tenderize and flavor. Now you add the pot to your Instant Pot. You're going to make sure that it is set to sealing and not venting. Always sealing. And then you're going to put it on 11 minutes. And let it go. After it is done, you're going to quick release it. So you're just going to let all the steam out. Alright, so 11 minutes is out. Put it on venting. So all the steam is coming out. And it's almost out of steam. And then that little float, this little thing will drop. And you're ready to open your lid. You're going to open it up. And there are your potatoes. I usually add in 4 ounces cream cheese, but I am out of cream cheese right now. So we might add some extra sour cream. So you want about 1/2 cup of sour cream. I have about 1/2 cup left in here. 4 tablespoons of butter. About 2 tablespoons of milk. Or heavy cream, or 1/2 and 1/2. Sometimes I'll make a gravy. I usually don't. We usually just put butter on our potatoes. Like there's not enough butter in there already. And then 1 garlic clove. Then you plug in your hand mixer. And there you go. There are your mashed potatoes. We'll do a taste test. You could definitely use that cream cheese, but it's still good. If they're too thick for you, you can add a little bit of milk to thin them out. You can add a little milk, you can add a little sour cream to thicken them out. You could put some cheese in there. You could add some seasoning, like seasoning salt. You could add more garlic, whatever you want to do. I hope you all enjoyed. Have a wonderful day.